This week's topic on Satideh Mawnin runnings: no boundaries, fulfilling your dream at any age. We are Talk of the Things live from New York to Jamaica and beyond on Saturday, January 18 at 10 a.m. Tune in live on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn with Sharon's Jackie Max and me, Lady D Denise Gomez Green, as we chat with the dynamic mother daughter duo, Julian Redwood Johnson and Daniel Johnson, who both aced the bar exam with flying colors.
Congratulations and jubilation.
Jamaican smart, you know. I'll briefly tell you. Don't miss this inspiring and uplifting conversation. Come make we talk at 10.